Hey, I'm Nick Evans, co-founder and CEO of Avocado. And today we're gonna look at the AI assistant again. We're gonna look at an example where, let's say one of your ingredients went up in price. Typically it's really hard to do on a traditional system. You gotta go through and find each one of these items that may contain this ingredient, pull it into a spreadsheet. But today we're gonna see how the AI can do that super fast. So I've got it live here. Let's do a prompt where we say the price of eggs went up again. Increase the price of everything with eggs by 20%. So this is really cool. So this is going to look through the entire menu, figure out what has eggs on it, whether it says it in the description or not. Some things just, you should know it has eggs in it, like an omelet, right? And then make some decisions on that, and then do the math for you to increase the price by the 20%. Of course, it could be 25%, 15%, whatever. So let's take a look here. All right, cool. So it found everywhere that has eggs, and you can see here, yeah, bumped it up 20%. I'm gonna hit save, and now this is live. So yeah, there's a quick snippet of what you can do with AI. So thanks for watching. Follow along.